To create a website using AI, we are going to use Framer Website Builder. Simply go to framer.com using the first link which is given in the video description. Once you logged in, you'll see a dashboard like this. On the top right, click on this New Project option. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the Framer Website Builder. Next, on the top right, you'll see these options. Here, click on this Actions option, and then click on this Generate option. Now, we need to enter a prompt here, and Framer AI will generate us a website based on that prompt. For the sake of this video, I will ask it to create a simple digital marketing agency website that provides SEO and email marketing services. I will also leave some prompts link in the video description, so make sure to check them out. And then I'll click on this Start button. And within a few seconds, Framer will generate a website for me. This is the website generated by Framer AI. If you don't like the design, you can click on this Regenerate button on the right, and then update your prompt a little bit, and then Framer will create a different design according to the prompt. Next, you'll also see the color palettes here. Simply click on different palettes and see which one suits the best for your website. Next, we can also decide the typography from here. Simply select the typography that you want to use on your page, and it will automatically apply to your page. Next, when you zoom in, you will see these texts and images on the website. These content are not some dummy content, but generated using AI based on the prompt that we gave earlier. You can simply select the paragraph, and then click on this sparkle icon, and then the AI will regenerate this section for you. That's how easy it is to create websites using Framer AI. Now, if you want to make full use of this tool, then make sure to watch this video, where you'll learn step by step how to use Framer to design top quality websites. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.